Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Kaya. For any of you that are new, in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys a 3-in-1 get ready with me. I'm going to start off with my hair with the install, then we'll jump into the makeup, and then I'll show you my 2 outfit choices of the day. So if you guys are interested in seeing this 3-in-1 get ready with me, then continue to watch, and of course subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so you'll be notified when I upload. Follow me on my socials, they'll be right here on my screen as well as in my description bar as well. Shout out to Aatifa Hair for providing today's hair. I did make it into a wig, you guys. I have a frontal with 3 bundles, and yeah, so if you're interested in all this good stuff that we got going on in today's video, you have to continue to watch because it's a banger. It is a banger, you guys. Okay, let's jump into the video. So here is the unit that I have made. They sent over a frontal, and then they sent 3 bundles as well. I think the longest length of this unit is 28 inches. So I have a 28, 26, 24, and then the 20-inch frontal on the top. And I have bleached and dyed this unit, so it did come as a natural color, about a 1B/2-ish color, and I just basically lightened the color up a bit, so it is definitely more light brown. Even if I bring you like a closer view, you can see that it now has brown tint in it versus it just being all black. So I'm looking really crazy. I look like I just got a blowout. I am going to use this olive oil Fix It Super Hold Spray, as well as my absolute go-to because I just love how it holds. We'll start off with the middle first. And of course, to install this frontal, it's just easier this way. I like to cut it into pieces. I take the tail end of my rat tail comb and I put a little bit of the gel on the comb and put it on my forehead. And then I just pull this down and then we'll blow dry it so that it stays secure. Right on top of that, I'll use the spray. And I'm just going to follow those same steps for the rest of the sections of the frontal. Alright guys, so now that the lace is on, we're going to tie a wrap satin cap around it, and then I'm going to jump into the makeup. First, I'm going to jump into my brow product. I'm using a brow pomade today. This one comes from Male Trinity. They did send this product to me just to try out for you all, and it is absolutely one of my favorite brow products to use at the moment. I've been using it every single time I do my makeup. So shout out to Male Trinity. I'll put their Instagram in my description bar below so you guys can check out their webpage. After my brows, I'm going to conceal them using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in Fawn. Okay, so before I jump into my face, I want to make sure I get my edges down, so I'm going to work on those first. This is my favorite wax stick. If you guys are interested in this wax stick, check out my description bar below. I have a coupon code for you to save on your purchase. If you get this wax stick, I promise it will change your life. You're going to be like, this is the best wax stick in the world. So get you one. It adds shine. It holds the hair down. It does a lot of things in one. It's perfect. You don't get any flakiness. It looks like it just oils you up. It doesn't add too much oil, but it just gives you like a natural shine. It's really good. And a little goes a long way. Alright, so the front of my hair is pretty much done. I'm going to jump into these two products here. One full with water, one is some mousse, and we're just going to go over the hair so that we can get a flat surface, because as you can tell right now, it is not matching the rest of the hair. So adding water will definitely take care of that. So let's get to spraying. Okay, so now that the hair is pretty much done, we'll go ahead and finish the rest of the face, and then I can show you guys my outfit. After I conceal my brows, I'll move on to basing my face, and I use this Pond's moisturizer. It is a dark spot correcting cream, but it definitely moisturizes the face as well. I usually just start off with a moisturizer instead of like a primer or whatnot. Then I'm going to jump into foundation. After I blended my foundation, I move on to my concealer. I'm using the Maybelline Instant Rewind Concealer. I have it in the color Golden. After I blend out my concealer, I move on to my setting powder. I'm using the Laura Mercier Translucent Powder in Honey. And then once I set my powder, I move on to bronzer while that's still sitting on my face. And I just put my bronzer on pretty heavy because I like and love my bronzer. After bronzer, I go back into the Laura Mercier powder, clean up the bronzer contour to make it more cut and straight. While that is sitting there and cleaning up my contour, I'll go ahead and brush off this Laura Mercier powder under my eyes and everywhere else. I also set my face with the MAC Studio Fix NC50 face powder. Just set the areas that I might have missed, and also just go over the Laura Mercier powder anywhere where I need just a little bit of extra coverage. Then I'll blend off the rest of that powder and add a little bit more bronzer. After that, I move on to my blush, and I usually use a deep pink or rose blush. And then I'll add my lashes. I use the La Flare NY Mink lashes, and I have the NY61s. These are my favorite. I get them from my local beauty supply store. And after the lashes, of course, we are going to move on to the lips, and I use this brown liner by Wet n Wild, and then I have this Ulta Beauty gel gloss in Boardwalk. And once all of that is finished, I move on to my face spray, and I use this Pearlescence Rose Water Hydrating Face Mist to set my face, and that completes the makeup tutorial. Alright y'all, so the makeup is now complete. We're going to take off this head wrap. This is the final look. I am going to give you guys a zoom out look of the hair plus outfits. So let's go ahead and jump into that. Alright y'all, so the first look comes from Rainbow. I did a full try on haul of 5 sweatsuits that I bought from Rainbow, and this is one of them. So this is a hairstyle that I would wear with this sweatsuit. Of course, also something super basic, and I feel like this look and this hair look all ties it together of being basic, but this is how I would dress it up. I have on some Adidas sneakers and then this chocolate brownish sweatsuit. Alright guys, and here is the other look. This is a look that I would wear out to like a dinner date or out with friends, just out to eat. It would definitely be a dinner, more dinner type outfit for me. It's definitely something I would wear. The shirt comes from Fashion Nova, pants are from Boohoo, and the shoes are from Target. So very affordable fit. I have videos out including these items, so that will be in my description bar as well. And this is definitely a hairstyle that I will wear with this outfit also. Alright y'all, so this completes today's look with the hair, the makeup, and the outfits. I do hope you guys enjoyed today's 3-in-1 get ready with me. If you did, leave me a thumbs up. If you're interested in this hair or any of the other type of styles, textures, and lengths that they provide. Check out my description bar below. I'll have some links for you there. This hair is amazing. This is like one of my favorite companies to get my bundles and frontals from. So shout out to Aatifa Hair. They are bomb, and they're on AliExpress, by the way. And can we just say that for this to be curly hair, it's true to length, you guys. Like, it is long, and you could see that in my outfit video. The hair is super duper long, so I really appreciate that I actually get the length that, you know, I was told that I was given. It actually shows that long versus saying it's 28 inches and then it's appearing to be like 24 inches. So hair is super good quality. It took my dye, my bleach, all of that really good. The lace went and blended into my skin very well. I didn't have to use any powder or anything on my lace. Like, everything just worked out in my favor very well, and I did not do a lot of work to the hair or anything like that, or the lace at all. So kudos to Aatifa Hair. You are amazing. So thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you again, Aatifa Hair, for providing this hair, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.